Have you ever opened a GitHub repository and felt completely lost? Rows of folders, files, components, but no clear starting point. You scroll through the README, click around, maybe open a few files. You still have no idea how it all fits together. You go through the components, think about what talks to what, where's the logic, what does this app even do? Well, this is GitBridge, your AI-powered coding companion. It reads through your repository like a senior engineer and helps you make sense of it instantly. You can explore through architecture diagrams, listen to podcasts, or just talk to your code in real time, all from a single link. Let's try it out. As you can see, GitBridge has generated a neat architecture diagram about what it does because I've copied the GitBridge library. Now, if somebody wants to listen to a podcast instead, they can go to the podcast, they can customize the voices. We have two male and two female voices. I'm just going to stick to the default now. Click generate. As podcasts take a lot of time to generate, I'm going to just load up a previous podcast from here.
Welcome to Tech Dive. I'm Chiron, and today we're exploring Lang Extract. I'm joined by Leon, who's been diving deep into this codebase. So, what caught your attention about this project?
Thanks for having me, Chiron. What really stood out to me was the source grounding concept. You know how LLMs can sometimes ghost you on where the data actually came from? Like, oh, this number, where'd it get picked up? Lang.
As you can see, the podcast sounds really realistic and podcast-like, and it's completely related to the repository that I provided. You can download the audio or the transcript file as well. Now for the best feature of GitBridge, let's go talk to the code.
Hello, I'm Juno, and I'm excited to discuss the GitBridge repository with you today. I've analyzed the codebase and I'm ready to help you understand its architecture, explore the code structure, discuss best practices, or answer any questions you might have about this project. What would you like to know about GitBridge?
Can you explain this repository to me in basketball terms?
Sure. Think of GitBridge like a basketball team playing a high-stakes game. The app has 3 key players, modes, working together. Talk mode is the point guard, quick, responsive, and handling back and forth dialogue like a fast break. Podcast mode is the power forward, grinding out detailed audio insights by rebounding data from the codebase and turning it into a smooth, flowing presentation. Diagram mode is the center, anchoring the team by visualizing the game plan, code structure, with mermaid diagrams, like a whiteboard play on the court. Under the hood, the coach, AI, uses tools like OpenRouter and AWS Poly to call plays, switching strategies based on needs, like changing a game plan when trailing. The hybrid caching system is like having a playbook stored in the locker room, S3, to avoid reworking plays mid-game. Speech to text, whisper, and voice activity detection, VAD, act as referees, filtering out off-ball chatter to keep the game clean and focused. Would you like me to expand on any part of this analogy?
Now for the next parts of GitBridge, I have more plans in the future to expand this, where I can stop the AI between in its speech and change its context completely about what it's speaking. I'd have to enable dynamic VAD for that, but that's for the future.